Hey there! Have you ever thought about using alcohol, not just as your go-to disinfectant or surface cleaner, but as a secret weapon for your bedding? It might sound a bit out there, but hear me out. Giving your mattress a good spritz with alcohol could unlock a bunch of unexpected perks and benefits. In this video, we're gonna walk you through this not-so-typical method and shed light on the potential upsides for your sanctuary of sleep, peace, and rest. But first, let's get our facts straight on the types of alcohol that are in the game for cleaning and disinfecting. We've got isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, which is normally used for disinfecting. And there's also ethyl alcohol, or ethanol, the alcohol in beer, wine, and flavored drinks, meant for entertaining friends and partygoers. Each has its own set of superpowers for tackling different tasks. So what's the deal with spraying your mattress with isopropyl alcohol? The trick is a mixture of 90% isopropyl alcohol and water in equal measures. You can get this already in this exact amount at your local drugstore, like CVS or Walgreens. Give your mattress a generous misting, give it a good scrub with a washcloth, and let it air dry. Now let's dive into the magic that unfolds when you do this. Bye-bye germs. Spritzing your bed with alcohol acts like a germ-killing hero, zapping away bacteria, viruses, and fungi that might be throwing a party in your mattress. This deep cleaning action helps in crafting a great sleeping environment that's not just cozy, but clean, safe, and healthy too. Dust mites and bed bugs beware. Not a fan of dust mites or bed bugs? We aren't either. Alcohol could be your new best friend. These unwelcome guests, from allergy-triggering dust mites to pesky bed bugs, can be shown the door with a direct hit from your alcohol spray. If administered directly, alcohol has the ability to eradicate these pests and lower their population, offering relief to individuals who suffer from these problems. However, it's key to remember that while alcohol is a champ at disinfecting and battling small-scale pest invasions, it's not a cure-all. For more serious infestations, calling in the pros might be your best bet. Safety first. Let's not forget that while alcohol is a fantastic tool, it comes with its own set of rules. Its flammable nature means making sure your mattress is bone dry before you jump back into bed. This means that before the mattress is exposed to any possible ignition sources, including candles or cigarettes, you must make sure it is totally dry. A little spot test before going all in can also prevent any unwanted surprises on your mattress's surface, like unwanted discoloration. While reaching for alcohol can do wonders for keeping your bed clean and critter-free, don't forget about the power of regular washing, vacuuming, and airing out your mattress to maintain a fresh and healthy sleeping spot. Got a problem with bed bugs or fleas, or know someone who does? Check out below for links to our videos on bugs, how to get rid of them, and how to be flea-free forever. Deciding whether the alcohol spray method is right for you depends on your unique situation. But now that you're armed with this knowledge, you're well equipped to make that call. Curious about other clever uses for rubbing alcohol? We've got just the video for you. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share the love with your friends. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you awesome content. Also, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future videos. See you in the next video. Please be well, be wise, and take care.